go. 3 days, 3 ways. I know that a ton of you are traveling right now, but maybe we're not all getting away to somewhere warm. You might just be hitting the road for work or for play, but to a weather situation that is exactly what you're facing at home. That was kind of my case last week. I'm going from not so warm to not so warm, but I want to pack smart. I want to be thoughtful about what I'm bringing. And so for a fun, casual weekend, I've got the exact answer that you need. Okay, we're gonna start with our travel look. We've all done it. We have all been in jeans or something more structured on a plane and regretted every single second of it. So number one rule for travel is comfort, but I like to add a little disclaimer in there, chic. Let's put it together and make it work. So to me, there's nothing easier than a matching set. I think it is an upgrade from a legging look and really makes the perfect travel outfit because you can also break it up later and wear it a bunch of ways. So I'm wearing this fabulous new set from the Upside, a new brand at Evereve, sporty, Australian chic. Absolutely love this brand. There's so much fun to be had here. Fun being the operative word. We're talking quality, we're talking great fit, but there's a spirit to this brand that I absolutely adore. So Terry set in navy, little nod to kind of John McEnroe vibes here. I'm feeling it, 70s court. Definitely a trend this spring season, and you do not need to be playing pickleball or tennis or any of those other racket sports in order to embrace this. Have some fun with it. So, great little jacket, pant. I think both of these run a little bit generous, so I went down a size in both the jacket and the pant. There's still a ton of room here. Really, really comfy. Now, what am I laying underneath? My must-have layering piece, no matter where I'm headed. This is that Nola tank from Michael Stars. You remember this from last year. It is the absolute perfect tank because it's sexy, little bit of that cutaway, still bra friendly, comes in a multitude of colors, ribbing so it hugs but doesn't squeeze, and not too long so it's easy to tuck in but it's not going to creep up. It's the unicorn of tanks. Get them while you can. Now, how are we finishing off this kind of fun court sport look we got going on? Well, we're going to take our court sneaker. You heard me right. That's another trend coming your way. Clean, perforation, tone on tone. This is all about being kind of neutral, a little nod to preppy, but done in a really fun and updated way. This is P448. What I absolutely love about this, number one, the comfort. There's so much quality in this shoe. There's a little bit of height in that rise there, so kind of lifts the tushy a little bit, makes me just a little bit taller in my whopping 5'3" frame, and is a fabulous shoe to throw on no matter where I'm headed. Now, the piece de resistance for our travel look is this incredible Think Royalin bag. Have you seen this bag? Here's why we love Think Royalin. Lightweight, versatile, tons and tons of room, and fashionable all at the same time. So, why I love this bag. It can be a work bag, it can be a play bag. It's super light so you can pack it full. Couple features that I think are fantastic, just like their little fanny pack bags. You've got a great strap here that you can wear over your shoulder or as a crossbody, or you can use the double handle, webbed design to just keep it on your shoulder. Now, if you're like me, you might be overpacking just a smidge on those trips, and so you're trying to sneak in a handbag and a carry-on tote and your roller bag, and your hands are no longer free. So we're gonna make it easy for you. Check out this incredible feature on the Think Royalin bag. Here we go. This great double zipper in the back. When you first look at it, you think, oh, just another zip pocket. This is easy for me to throw maybe my phone in here or my wallet, so it's easy reach. Guess what? Double function on this one. This double zipper here allows you to transform this pocket into a slider for that handle on your roller bag. How slick is that? I love this because it doesn't involve a clip or a strap. It's gonna make it flop. It's gonna hold it upright, nice and tight, and makes it so easy to spin through the airport. Plus, in this great olive color, it's not black, has a little bit of personality, but yeah, we can beat the heck out of it and let it get dirty and no one's gonna see. a must if you're traveling. Now, guess what I have in this incredible bag? My must-have jacket from Save the Duck. Does it look like a jacket right now? No, it looks like a tiny little baby sleeping bag, but I assure you, this is the puffer jacket that you need. I love it for travel because of this reason. You can pack it up, use it as a pillow on the plane if you want, but give it a little shake out, and here we are, instant layering puffer. Now, if I was traveling here in Minneapolis, which truth be told, I am quite a bit, I would just slip this guy right on over my set. I love it in this green. It also comes in a really fun neon pink. We're just chock full of spring trends here. We're talking all about the neons. So I think this guy runs just a little bit narrow. So a lot of people are saying size up. This is a small for me. I like it as a small because it's more shaped, but if you're thinking you're gonna wanna layer a lot of pieces with it, then maybe go up a size. So here's my travel jacket, right? I'm going to the airport, I've got this on. If I'm heading somewhere just a slightly bit warmer, I can throw it in that travel bag. Otherwise, I've got the perfect layer no matter what the weather is coming my way. Woo! Okay, we've got 2 more looks coming up. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. Okay, look number 2, here we go. We are gonna reuse some of those pieces and make a whole new look. So we're stepping it up from our casual travel outfit, but we are still crazy comfortable. Here's the deal. Kept on those P448 court sneakers. Love these because they are neutral and easy to wear. Dare I say, because they are all white, you can even dress them up just a smidge. Now, if I'm traveling with denim, it better be stretched because I don't want any bagging and I want lots of recovery. This is the Daphne crop from Citizens of Humanity. Why we love this jean. All the looks of a vintage lived-in feel, all the comfort of crazy stretch. They have mastered it and made it perfection. A little bit higher rise here, crop length. If you are afraid of showing your ankles in this not so hot weather we're having, I'm gonna tell you right now, go for it, put on a sock. A little varsity striped sock would be super fun, or just a solid white. Nothing wrong with that, gang. And if you're still feeling like you want to show off those ankles, a pair of smart wool no-show socks is my absolute favorite way to keep my tootsies warm and those ankles shown. Now, we're doubling up on that kind of varsity sport trend. This is from Evereve, this unbelievable, so cozy and so chic varsity sweatshirt. I love a good V-neck, kind of shows off that neckline, makes everything feel a little bit taller and longer with cool varsity striping. Now this is another one that I think runs a tiny bit generous, so I did go down a size for a more tailored look. Threw that upside jacket on over. Yes, you can double down, double love, however we want to say it, on this fun sporty trend. The colors are neutral, the whole thing feels chic and easy, but if you need a little bit more weight in your layer, then I would say let's lose that jacket and we're going to trade it for our Save the Duck instead. So here it is, gang. Such an easy one to throw on if you are maybe running for a morning coffee or just a quick little walk with the girls on a trip, wherever you might be headed. I love that this green is surprisingly versatile. It just works with this otherwise really neutral palette that I'm packing. And again, bunches down to almost nothing. So it's an easy one to throw in your bag. So cute, right? So fun. Love this guy. Okay, one more fun look that we're gonna mix up one more time with one different shoe and a top, and you've got a whole fun look for going out. Okay, last look. Kept the jeans, switched the top and the shoe. Night out coming for you. Okay, here's the deal. We're going somewhere, it's not super warm. We want a cute night out look, but we don't want to feel too over the top. A sexy sweater to the rescue. This is from 525. You know the deal with 525. Amazing, amazing yarns. So they're always soft, they're always comfortable, and they always fit like $1,000,000. So what I love about this sweater is that little peak of skin, right? But the beauty of this, still bra friendly. So you've got that V neckline, which we love, little peak of skin here, easy, little sexy. My normal bra is rocking under this, no problem. Now, I wanted this to be a little bit more shaped, so again, went down a size. This is an extra small. I also think this would be really put together and kind of unexpected, a little bit more relaxed. So you could absolutely wear your normal size in this, and I think you're gonna get just a tiny bit more movement in the sweater. Now, kept on that fabulous Daphne crop because why wouldn't I? It's like jammies and jeans. And then I've got on my go-to travel shoe, that Corky's clog. Kind of acts like a bootie, but also feels kind of dressed up, gives a little bit of edge. And if we're gonna keep channeling this whole 70s thing that's happening, a clog is absolutely the way to go. Now, if I am running late on Sunday morning and gonna hop on my flight and I don't have time to unpack or repack, guess what? Change up my shoes, keep the sweater on because again, soft, cozy, easy. Throw on that Save the Duck jacket or my cute little sporty terry jacket from the upside and I'm good to go. So there you go. Easy, easy way to packing. We've got a couple essential pieces. We've got a set, great pair of jeans, sweatshirt, a in-betweener sweater, and did I say this right? Only 2 pairs of shoes on my trip. I did it. A sneaker and a clog is all you need. And then we're gonna pack everything in that amazing Thinkwell bag and done. Hope this gave you some great ideas. Hope you're getting away somewhere fun. Even if it isn't warm, we can still make our own fun, right? When it's chilly, cold, icy, rainy, whatever the weather might be bringing you, we're gonna do it and we're gonna pack smart and chic. See you soon. Take care, everybody.